2025 Toyota RAV4 maintains its rugged, adventure-ready styling with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and an athletic stance. Brought to you by Desert Toyota. Available two-tone color schemes and blacked-out accents on trims like the Adventure and TRD Off-Road give the RAV4 a modern edge. Roof rails and alloy wheels come standard on many trims, adding both utility and style. Under the hood, the 2025 RAV4 features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering 203 horsepower and responsive acceleration. All-wheel drive is available for enhanced traction, and the TRD Off-Road model includes a tuned suspension system for tackling rough terrain. For those seeking efficiency, hybrid and plug-in hybrid options offer excellent fuel economy without sacrificing performance. The RAV4's rear seats offer generous legroom and headroom, making them comfortable for adults and kids alike. The seats recline for added comfort and can be folded flat in a 60-40 split for flexible cargo configurations. Rear air vents and optional heated rear seats boost comfort on longer drives. Inside, the cabin is well organized with quality materials and a practical layout. Soft-touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and available ambient lighting elevate the experience, especially in upper trims. Storage is abundant, with a large center console, wide cup holders, and deep door pockets. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 is standard across all trims, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and lane tracing assist. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are also available, ensuring confident driving in any scenario. The 2025 RAV4 comes equipped with a standard 8-inch or available 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims include a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, wireless charging, and an upgraded JBL premium sound system. Voice command and navigation systems enhance connectivity and ease of use. Features like a power lift gate, keyless entry with push-button start, and dual-zone climate control make daily errands easier. Top trims offer ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and hands-free liftgate functionality for added convenience. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 continues to be a versatile, well-rounded SUV that blends rugged appeal with everyday practicality. With multiple powertrain options, advanced safety features, and thoughtful interior design, it remains a top choice in the compact SUV segment. You can view our selection at deserttoyota.com, give us a call at 520-585-5413, or visit our showroom today.